Okay, I'm going to just do a quick video on how to install or reinstall the Skybell app. Skybell on the Skybell app, sorry. I'm just going to go into my Skybell account and I'm going to delete the old one. So if we go back, you can see that it's offline there. I'm going to click on it. Click on here, click on front door, my devices. So up on top right, and then my devices, click on the name of your device, and then just simply click on delete. Yes, delete. Perfect. So now that I've deleted my device, it's ready to add a Skybell. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go to my camera so I can show you what's going on here. Your Skybell might be flashing red green, and it might be double flashing red depending on the Wi-Fi, if it was changed or whatnot. So what we're going to do is just going to refresh the Wi-Fi on there so that we can reinstall. I should be able to install it by it being red green, but sometimes it gets stale if it's there for a few hours and whatnot. So right now we're just going to wait for it to flash green. If the first attempt doesn't work, then what you do is you keep going and then you factory reset. So I'm going to factory reset it anyways just once so I don't have to do it over again. This will eliminate all the information that's inside the Skybell and give it factory reset so it's fresh and it's like a brand new Skybell again. So you just basically hold it down. This is a power cycle here if you let it go at the blue or purple. But what I want to do is I want to hold it until it's flashing yellow. And what's going to happen is when I'm flashing it yellow, it's going to automatically delete everything and then restart. There we go. So I can let go. So now we just deleted everything, factory resetting. It's just going to cycle through, and then once it hits red green, basically it's going to go into Wi-Fi mode, AP mode they call it, and it will emit a signal. So once it emits the signal, then we'll be able to add it to Skybell app through our phone. So we can do that. This does take a few minutes, so we'll just watch it and make sure that it's going to go through, and then everything should be okay. For the purpose of the video, I'll let it run, and just so you can see that the changes it makes and whatnot. So, and again, this could be done simply because you changed the Wi-Fi on at the home. So you had the Skybell for a year, 2 years, whatever. You changed the Wi-Fi, changed internet providers, or a completely new install. Without the hardware, of course. But with the hardware, it's normally just 2 wires and the bracket on the back. But that will be shown in another video. And then you can obviously fast forward through all this. There we go. So it's in Wi-Fi mode. Perfect. So we're going to go back and we're going to open up the Skybell app. And then it's going to tell us that there's no Skybell because I deleted the old Skybell. So it tells you that the syncing process will take approximately 2 minutes. Is your Skybell flashing red green? Yes, it is. We'll go to the next step. To begin the syncing process, we'll launch wireless settings depending on your phone. With mine, I can simply click on the bottom. It'll take me in. I'm going to turn on the airplane mode. And then I'm going to go back to the app, and then I'll get the arrow. With the iPhones, I believe you've just got to go to your Wi-Fi settings and then find it. So what we're going to do is go here. Now it's telling us to look for the Skybell. We're going to turn our Wi-Fi on. And then we're going to search for the Skybell itself. And again, you want to try to be as close as you can to the Skybell. So here's the Skybell showing right here. It's saved, so I'm going to click on the Skybell. I'm going to connect to the Skybell so I can insert the new Wi-Fi details. It says we're connected, so I'm just going to go back to the app. Go to the next step. And now, inside the Skybell, it's saying, okay, these are the Wi-Fi that we see. So basically I have a choice here. Let's just do this one. Go to Alarm Guard. It's going to ask for the password. Done. Go to the next step. So basically what it's saying is just telling me not to forget to turn off my my airplane mode. So I can turn that off to the app. And it's just going to basically sync. While it's doing this, maybe what I can do is go to the camera just to show you what it's doing. There you go. You got the blinks. There we go. So this is the syncing process right now. It's syncing in. Once it hits a solid green, you know the syncing process has been completed. Normally you'd be, there you go. So we're just going to go back to the app, open up the Skybell app, and it should, there we got the green thumb, boom, at the bottom. So I'm going to click on that, and it'll take us right in. Stream could not be established, that's okay. It just started, so we'll give it some time, basically to configure and whatnot. Give it another try. Oh, that's probably the Wi-Fi is pretty far away, but it has been synced, so I'll try to bring it a little closer if I can. Our internet here at the office is across the room, so there we go, and we're done. Perfect. This is how to reset, factory reset the Skybell, and then reinstall it on the Skybell app. Thanks for watching.